Right, hello Louisa. Question 2 of statistics non-calculator. Right, so we've got it's box and whisker diagram. So I just thought we'd talk quickly about what a box and whisker diagram is and how we can get information from it. So I've got like this list of data here, 2 to 12, 8 pieces of data. I've looked for the median in the middle of the list, and then I've looked to all the numbers to the right of it, to the left of the median, found the middle of those to find the lower quartile, and to the right of the median and found the upper quartile. And so I've got the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. And then I put this onto a box and whisker diagram. Line at 2.5 the lower quartile, median at 5, upper quartile at 10, and then the whiskers going to the maximum and minimum values. Quartiles, like lower quartile, sometimes it's called quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3 as well. What they do is they split the data into quarters. So like here we've got a quarter of the data is before the lower quartile, a quarter is between the lower quartile and the median, then another quarter up to the upper quartile, and the final quarter above the upper quartile. So that you can see that that this data is like skewed. You've got 50% of the data is before 5, and then 50% of the data is above 5, but that's much more spread out. You can see that you've got this. It's not a symmetrical distribution because 50% is in quite a narrow range between 5 and 2, and 50% goes from 5 all the way up to 12. So the tree diagram they've given us in the question is like. Right, as if by magic, this appears. So I've just done a quick sort of sketch of the box and whisker they've given us, and I've just marked off. So you can see the median is 3,000, lower quartile 2,500, upper quartile 4,000, so on. So the first box of 4,000. If 4,000 is the upper quartile, then all the data that's above the upper quartile, 25. So that means that above 4,000 must be 25%. So that's all you need to put for question 1, 25%, easy peasy. This is hard to write when it's videoing. Question 2 is going to be, where are we? What fraction are between 2,500 and 4,000? Well, that's from the lower quartile to the upper quartile. So that means that between here and the median is 25%. Then that's another 25%, 50% between those two. So what fraction? A half between those two. So it's as long as you understand what the box and whisker diagram is representing, it's a really easy question. And question 3 is the interquartile range. The interquartile range, the range is the biggest take away the smallest value. So like here would be 12, take away 2 would be 10. The interquartile range is the upper take away the lower quartile. So in this case it'd be 7.5. In this case 4,000 take away 2,500 is going to be 1,500. So the interquartile range would be 1,500. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you need more stuff on box and whisker diagrams, then put a note in that document and I'll give you some more examples. Okay,